Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, commonly known as PB&J, have been a beloved staple in households since 1901 when the recipe was first published in the Boston Cooking School magazine. This classic sandwich, combining peanut butter and jelly between slices of bread, might seem like a humble meal, but consuming it daily for a month can offer surprising health benefits. In this exploration, we will delve into the individual health benefits of each component: peanut butter, jelly, and bread. Peanut butter is a nutrient-dense food rich in protein, with 2 tablespoons containing about 8 grams. This makes it an excellent source of plant-based protein crucial for muscle tissue growth and repair. Additionally, peanut butter provides approximately 2 grams of dietary fiber per serving, aiding digestion and promoting a sense of fullness. Regular consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, with studies showing improved blood glucose levels when included in high-carb meals. The heart-healthy fats in peanut butter, primarily monounsaturated fats, help lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol, contributing to improved cardiovascular health. Oleic acid, a beneficial monounsaturated fat, found in peanut butter, has been associated with increased insulin sensitivity, particularly beneficial for those with diabetes. Peanut butter also supports bone health due to its phosphorus and magnesium content, crucial for bone density and calcium absorption. High in dietary fiber, peanut butter aids digestive health by regulating bowel movements and managing blood sugar levels. Contrary to common belief, peanut butter can assist in weight management due to its combination of healthy fats and high protein content, which help control appetite. It also promotes nutrient absorption, including fat-soluble vitamins like A and D, and contains compounds like resveratrol, aiding in the prevention of gallstones. Now, moving to the jelly component, it is rich in fruit-derived antioxidants, especially when made from superior fruit sources like berries or grapes. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. Jelly also serves as a source of essential minerals, including potassium, choline, and calcium, contributing to heart health, nerve function, and energy metabolism. Its natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, and the presence of pectin helps manage blood sugar levels for sustained energy. Lastly, the choice of bread significantly impacts the healthiness of PB&J sandwiches. Whole grain or whole wheat bread offers advantages such as enhanced brain function, improved mood, balanced blood sugar regulation, and support for gut microbiome health. These breads, rich in nutrients like folate, B vitamins, and prebiotic fibers like inulin, contribute to cognitive function, mood stability, and digestive health. While PB&J sandwiches can offer health benefits, moderation is key. Potential drawbacks include the calorie and sugar content of commercial brands, allergens in peanut butter, processed ingredients, nutrient imbalance, and the high glycemic index of certain bread varieties. Portion control is crucial to avoid excessive calorie intake. In conclusion, enjoying a peanut butter and jelly sandwich daily for a month can provide a variety of health benefits if consumed in moderation. However, it is essential to consider individual dietary requirements, consult with a dietitian or healthcare advisor, and be mindful of potential drawbacks associated with excessive consumption or specific health conditions. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.